So here's a factory cross member and stiffening plate. We'll be replacing all of these parts, including all the bushings that go into here. All right, today we're going to show you how to install a 61 to 69 Lincoln transmission cross member in a stock Lincoln with a 430 in the stock transmission. What we have here is a complete kit to replace the stiffening plate, the cross member, and all the bushings and stuff that come factory with the stock. I'm going to flip around here and show you what the factory looks like, and then we'll start the install. So sorry about the video, it got cut a little short there. Basically on the motor mounts, there's two shim plates that go in, and that raises the motor up just to about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch. It just helps with oil pan clearance on the front cross member. We basically doing this cross member and shims for the motor mounts so that, one, it replaces all the factory stock rubbers that are all shot and ripped and torn and garbage. Number two, the factory has about 6 different rubbers for the cross member. So what we do is simplify it with a new cross member and polyurethane mount, so that way it lasts longer and it'll probably never ever pull apart. I'm pretty sure it'll make at least 50 years. And there's not a lot of stuff out there that actually fits and works for this car if you were just to replace the stock stuff. I've used a few of them and I wasn't very happy with them, and I had to do a lot of modifying to get them to work. So that's about it. This is our video. If you have a stock 61 to 69 Lincoln Continental with a 430 in it, this cross member will fit for you. So thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow. See you next round.